Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device IP, OS, and administrative access so you can change network settings without interruption. Next, pick a DNS over HTTPS provider and a VPN client that lets you enforce custom DNS. This prevents leaks. Once chosen, back up current DNS entries and create a restore point in case you need to revert. Make sure to whitelist necessary local IPs and tools, because stopping midway can break service to your apps. You now install and configure the VPN client. Enable the kill switch and explicit DNS leak protection so queries cannot bypass the tunnel. Then, set the custom DNS endpoint, do H or do T, either in your operating system network settings or on the router for network-wide enforcement. Once set, force DNS resolution through the VPN and validate with ENSLOOKUP and an online leak test. If you spot inconsistent results, recheck routing rules and client DNS override priority. You finish by verifying end-to-end behavior. Run traceroute and repeated DNS leak tests while connected to confirm queries go to your chosen resolver. Then automate startup rules, secure credentials, and enable DNS logging or auditing for future checks. If something breaks, revert to your backup DNS and restore point, inspect firewall and split tunnel rules that may override DNS, and reapply the configuration step by step. A single firewall rule often causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.